make bubbles at home with using this old sock and this water bottle. It is really fun to make out bubbles with this, and keep watching this video to see how you can make it easily. And in today's video, my sister is going to show you how we can make. So let's start.
Yes. First I will take a water bottle and a scissors.
So I will cut for Prisha. I will cut half of the water bottle.
So now we will cover this water bottle with the sock. So now after covering the water bottle with the sock, I will add some soap to the water.
Soap in it. Full spoons. Yes, add it. Mix it. Add. It's a spoon. Okay. Add more spoons. It's a small spoon.
It is not coming.
Now we will dip this into this soapy water. Should I dip it? Yeah.
Eat.
And now we are gonna blow it. So this is the result. Okay, blow it. Prisha, blow it. Dip it again in the water. See this? See? It's really fun to make these bubbles. So now if you want this foam to be colorful, see the next step. Prisha, let's make a colorful foam. This is the normal white color.
Then
We will just paint this. You can use food color instead of the normal paints. But in our house the normal paints were available, so we have used the normal paints. This now. Every time you do it, please paint it, because then the colors get mixed with the water. So I am again painting it. Yeah, so I have painted it. Now I am going to dip it. So I have dipped. Now I am going to quickly. Bottle. It is really fun, and just take care that you have to blow it outside, not inside, as it has soap in it. Okay. So guys, this is the result. This is the funny thing we are gonna play with. So do try it at your home, and it is really fun to play with it. So here I would like to conclude my video, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.